Yeah. Good afternoon, choir.
Good afternoon, Uncle Kiki.
Say that again.
Good afternoon, Uncle Kiki.
I like that. So today, choir, we are going to learn a powerful song. You guys know the song One Direction. Okay? Like the group. Excuse me. I thought so. Don't ever interrupt me again.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Now you play bass.
Yes, uncle.
Okay.
I play bass.
You play bass? No, I had a gym. You are playing tennis. You correct me?
Sorry.
Yeah, I thought so.
Tenon?
Don't correct me. Tennis. You know tennis, like. You, Otto, both of you. Oh. Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Now you play soprano. Like,
But
hey.
I thought I play soprano.
It's these children. And the rest of you make a joyful noise.
But I want to be soprano.
You make a joyful noise.
I can't.
My friend. Talking against Uncle Kiki. Do you imagine that?
Sorry.
So, this is how the song goes, okay? I've been practicing this song. For you, bass. This is, now for the rest of you. This is One Direction. Oh, actually, wait. Get up. Who? This one is going to be powerful. Powerful song, right?
Yes.
Powerful song, right?
Yes.
I feel the fire. Uncle Kiki. Yes. So, this is my direction.
Okay, hold on. Uncle Kiki, please. Do you guys actually, are you listening to this?
Yes.
Yes. Does it sound right?
No!
I think like we need someone new to come in.
Yes.
Excuse me, wait. Excuse me.
I agree with the girl.
I agree too.
Yeah.
We all agree, right? Yes. Uncle Kiki.
I'm hot.
Uncle, please sit down. Auntie Pat, please come. Lead us in the song.
Hey, I am the choir master. They anointed me. No, I am Uncle Kiki. I have been leading this choir for so long.
Uncle, it's okay. It's okay.
Humble yourself. Be fine, no, uncle.
All right, choir. Let's go. This is my desire. 1, 2.
This is my direction. This is my desire to honor.
Beautiful.
Can't take this.
Lord, with all my heart, I worship you.
I may miss the mark sometime, but I wish you open up your heart and say it to the Lord. I will worship forever. Woo! Hallelujah, forever. Lord. Come on, say it, we'll worship forever.
Yeah, that is right. You have to sing it twice. I told you guys, let me teach the choir. You know what? It is over. No more choir. Nothing. I'm gone. Uncle Kiki is gone.
Let your name
Good afternoon, choir.
Good afternoon.
Try that. Yeah, you just have to look like enthusiastic about, like, you know.
No games. You need to get a picture of this, man.
Good afternoon, choir.
Good afternoon.
Oh yeah, what's my name?
We have to get a name for you.
Kiki.
You guys give me a name.
Mr. Kiki.
Uncle.
Uncle Kiki.